The Man-O-War. At first you would have thought it was named after a ship or some jellyfish, which used to cause us terror when we were kids and the blue plastic bag would wash up on the beach. But no, it's named after a famous racehorse which we all wished our great grandparents bet on. The ingredient lineup: bourbon, Cointreau or triple sec, red vermouth and fresh lemon juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of bourbon to our shaker. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of Cointreau. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of your red vermouth. And lastly add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice to our shaker and then shake for 10 to 15 seconds. History wise, a lot of people think this drink is named after the racehorse Man-O-War, who won 20 races out of 21 over a year. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass and garnish with a lemon strip and a cherry. The taste test. This is an astoundingly good cocktail. To me, this is perfectly balanced for my palate. Some people might disagree with me and say that it probably needs some syrup, but the vermouth does enough for me here. The lemon and the Cointreau bring a tart dryness, and the bourbon, it's smooth and it's doing its thing. I'm becoming a bit of a bourbon convert.